Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at MicrosoftAccessExpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Orthodontist Appointment Tracking Database template So you're going to want to scroll up a ways here, and you're going to want to go to the appointment and scheduling section, and you're going to want to download the Access Orthodontist Appointment Tracking Database. And you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access that you have. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Once that downloads, go ahead and open it. And you're going to want to extract all of that file, so go ahead and extract that. And once you've extracted that, go ahead and open it. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or warning. I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open it. And with all of our database templates, you also get a pop-up box that shows all the different ways that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I'm just going to close out of this for now. Alright. What this template would be great for is if you owned a chiropractor organization and you wanted to maybe keep track of all your customers as well as their appointments, it would be perfect for that. As well as if you like this database template but you don't own an orthodontist organization and you own a different type of company but you want to use this database template, just contact us and we can actually customize it so that it's for your specific company instead of an orthodontist company. Alright, so let's get into testing this demonstration. So we're going to start off here by we're going to add a new customer. We're just going to make up a customer. We'll say Mrs. and Lewis. Okay. And so we're going to fill out some of this information, not all of it. We'll just go ahead and put a test email. Why not? And I guess we'll put in her business's phone number. And you can look at all these different phone numbers. You know, you can put in their assistant's phone number, their business, their home, their car phone. A lot of different phone numbers. So go ahead and just input a fake number here. We'll leave the address line blank, but however, you can input your business address, your home address, and another address. So it's a pretty detailed section. And you can even input notes about the customer, your call history with the customer, their appointment history with the customer. It's a pretty detailed section. You can even add a picture of the customer. So pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close this. And so now if I search for that customer, we'll just search by, just her last name, Lewis. And if we search, there she is. There's a customer we had just created, Miss Ann Lewis. There's her email. We did not fill out all that information, but you easily can. And you can even double click them here to pull up their contact where you can edit it. I'm not going to edit anything for now, so I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this. And so now what you can also do is if you view the calendar schedule, so this is the daily view, but you can view by monthly, you can view by every 2 weeks, every weekly. But we're gonna make an appointment for Ann Lewis. So if you go to the daily view, it's gonna zoom into the current day, which is December 11th. We're gonna make an 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. appointment. So just double click in this time section. The customer is Ann Lewis, who we had just created. And an orthodontist, this is just test orthodontist, you know, that we put in here ourselves. You would obviously be able to put in your own orthodontist. We'll just go person 1. Type, we'll say checkup. Make it easy, location 1, and that invoice amount has updated since it is a checkup for $50. There we go, the invoice. And the starting time is 8 a.m. today, and we're gonna make it till 9 a.m. just so it shows up in the calendar a little better. And you can even input some notes here. You can, if you're gonna have multiple orthodontists work on her, you can even input multiple orthodontists. You can even fill out the information about how she's gonna pay for it. So it's pretty cool. In our appointment details, we're actually going to select a custom color. It's going to change the color of the outside, but it's also going to change the color that we view it on the calendar. So if we make it pink, click OK. So this would really be perfect for if you had multiple appointments, you know, like back to back to back, so you can keep them separated. So once I click save and close, there's that checkup appointment. So now if I had an appointment at 9 a.m., you know, I'd make it a different color so you can tell that they're different times. So it's a pretty cool database template, pretty detailed one too. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert Template Walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to subscribe or like our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. Also, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. You can also find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert Template Walkthrough, and have a great day.